Hey everyone, want to export your images as JPEG in GIMP? In this video, I'll show you how to save your project as a JPEG file step by step. Yeah, JPEG is one of the most popular image formats for photos, websites, and sharing online because it offers a good balance between image quality and file size. First, open GIMP on your computer and load the image you want to export. Click File, then Open, and select your image. If you've already finished editing, you're ready to save it as a JPEG. Next, click the File menu and choose Export As. This option allows you to export your project in different image formats instead of the editable GIMP project format. In the Export Image window, choose the folder where you want to save the file. Enter a file name and make sure the extension is set to JPG or JPEG. If the extension isn't already included, you can type it at the end of the file name. After selecting the Save Location and File Name, click the Export button. GIMP will display additional JPEG export settings before saving your image. Adjust the quality slider to control the balance between image quality and file size. A higher quality setting produces a clearer image, while a lower setting creates a smaller file that's easier to share. Once you're happy with the settings, click Export again to save the JPEG file. GIMP will create the image and store it in the folder you selected. After the export is complete, open the saved JPEG to make sure it looks the way you expected. So you now have a standard image file that's ready to upload, print, or share with others. And that's how you export images as JPEG in GIMP. It's a simple process that lets you create high-quality images with manageable file sizes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.